Some David Lerner from the last 5 miles to Grace. This is called Ground Zero. Whenever I say things like, poetry is a lethal weapon, my friends get nervous. I can't really blame them. They visited me in enough loony bins and dryouts to know that the line I walk between image and fact is sometimes thin indeed. I've fought my share of battles where the only blood spilled was inside my head. Brecht said he didn't write his plays to warm the cockles of the bourgeois heart. Now he was bragging, but what with freebase, croissants, all-talk radio, and credit card blowjobs, we're already entertained to death. And when I say things like, poetry's a war, my friends look at me careful and measure the whites of my eyes against the blue of my nerves and sigh, hopefully poised for ironic topspin, but ready to call my doctor in the middle of the night. I stare back at them blank-eyed. Just because I'm crazy doesn't mean I don't make sense. And if sometimes I tilt at windmills head first, it's probably because I need a new head. And when they ask why, I say how. And when they ask how, I say when. And when I say when, they say, but I have to go to the doctor that week, or I'm busy with my dogs, or I'd rather eat Chinese, or it sounds good on paper, but what's in it for me? Nothing, I reply, nothing at all, except a chance to drink fire from a glass and spit it back in some asshole's face. Nothing but a license to chase the devil around the block with a big blue sword that is sharper than his horns. Nothing I can run down in a heartbeat or prove with math. But I cross my soul and swear to kill if I'm lying. The world can eat itself alive for another 1,000 years for all I care. I was never much good at abstract compassion. I just want a moment of truth so vast that all the lights on the planet dim for a second. We're right at ground zero. The times are suffused with murder, perfect with disbelief. And I say, take an emotion and file it to a point with everything you have and haven't. Shoot it through the laser that beats in our bones. Turn the sound up way past 10 and don't sweat the distortion. And who knows, perhaps someday we'll come to a fine and deadly pleasure. One free breath.